Ever wondered why it's so hard to break free from the grasp of addiction? A question that has perplexed many. It sparks curiosity and beckons us to delve deeper. Just what is it that makes letting go so challenging? Well, the answer lies deep within our brains in a place called the reward center. Addiction, in simple terms, is a brain disorder that compels someone to repeatedly use substances or engage in behaviors even though they have harmful consequences. Let's break it down a bit, shall we? Our brains are wired to ensure we repeat life-sustaining activities by associating those activities with pleasure or reward. Whenever this reward circuit is activated, the brain notes that something important is happening that needs to be remembered and teaches us to do it again and again without thinking about it. This is how habits form. Now, let's talk about addictive substances. You see, they target our brain's reward system. They flood the circuit with dopamine, a neurotransmitter present in regions of the brain that regulate movement, emotion, motivation, and feelings of pleasure. When these drugs push the dopamine levels up, the spike in feel-good hormone makes the person feel a rush or a high. Here's the catch though. With repeated exposure, the brain starts adjusting to these feel-good surges by producing less dopamine or reducing the number of receptors that can receive signals. As a result, the drug's impact on the brain's reward circuit falls, reducing the person's ability to enjoy not just the drugs, but also other events in life that previously brought pleasure. This is why those addicted need to take more of the substance to obtain the same dopamine high, and why they feel low or depressed when they are not using. So, as we can see, addiction is not just about willpower. It's about how these substances can hijack our brain's reward system, making us crave for more. So, what did we learn today? In essence, addiction is not a moral failing, but a brain disorder intricately linked to the brain's reward system. Remember, understanding the science behind addiction can help us better empathize with those who are struggling and can guide us towards more effective treatments.